Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Welcome back to Remote Learning. You did such a great job last week. This week, in order to take attendance, we will be posting an attendance assignment in the portfolio section. Be sure to answer the assignment every day in order to be marked present. Like last week, we will be posting 5 lessons each day. You will have until 2:30 p.m. to complete all of the assignments for that day. Make sure to complete the activities for every subject on the portfolios page. And remember to check your activities after you submit your work for comments. You will also be receiving a music lesson, an art lesson, and a PE assignment. Be sure to look at your class story and submit your work in the portfolio section in the correct folder. As a reminder, it is very important that you watch all of the lessons before completing the assignments. They include very important information that will help you complete your work. We will be available to answer questions, comment on your work, or respond to messages until 2:30, but we will not be answering during lunch, which is from 12:45 to 1:35. Have a great week!